everyone, Crafting Vicky here with you, and yesterday I shared with you France's happy mail, and this time around I want to show you what Maureen sent me. So I just opened the package and then the phone rang, so I restarted the video. So here is what she sent me, all the wonderful goodies. Make sure that I've got all the little goodies in there. Oh, this is so sweet. Beautiful little die cuts. Oh, I like that. I love how shimmery it is. This is very cool. That's very cool. I think I'm going to be using this in my my summertime journal that I want to make this week. So I'm going to keep it close because that would be perfect for it. Well, keep it close, but here. And look at these. So sweet. I love these things. Oh, and check these out. Those are really fun envelopes. Very different. Okay, so I stopped the video because I had to hide the address that was here. So wonderful envelopes, like I was saying. Oh, there's a green one. I've never seen green. Not this type of green anyway. That's very cool. And as you know, like this type of stuff can be used on anything, and it's so useful. We didn't open up the little bag of goodies. We'll do that right after. Oh, this is so clever. It's from a page, coloring page or something. Oh, that's so sweet. I love that card. Very cool. Yeah, I understand about having your things here, there, and everywhere. It's aw, thank you so much. I so appreciate this. Really, really. It's really sweet. I love seeing what you guys make and your cards and stuff. Check out the little goodies. Little scissors. I think one of them got broken. Yeah. This little guy lost a little handle. There's no such thing as too much glitter. Yeah, except if you want to leave your husband to play with them. What's new with you? Oh, those are sweet. Little butterflies. Crafted, designed. Love that. Those are so fun. Oh yeah, I like that. I don't know if it's a sticker or it's a page from a cutout from a magazine, but yeah, it looks like a cutout from a magazine. It's very cute. Your heart knows the ways. Yeah. Oh, so sweet. Love these vintage little feel things. Little hearts. All kinds of little goodies for Halloween. Oh, that's I need to use that in my vacation journal because of the fact that I've been organizing, and that that totally fits with the feel of that. Oh, I like these tags too. Yeah, I'll be putting that as well. Maybe these. Oh, and there's a small one, but I like the bigger one for now. When nothing is sure, everything is possible. Yep. Like the eyelashes. You can use them for paper dolls and stuff. Will work for craft supplies. Yeah. Sparkle and shine. Brave. I really love these. Follow your dreams, they know the way. Eat, sleep, craft, repeat. These are all going into my journal. They came in just in time because I was cleaning, and now I'm going to be ready to do something. And this one too, because I did send out some happy mail. Oh, I like that tag. The texture on it is very cool. Life is just so daily. Yep. I love this so much, so much. Thank you so very much for all the goodies. They're really, really appreciated. And I will be, like these, I'll be putting in my, in the box, well, in the bag that I've started for my journal. And I'm hoping to share some of the videos of the making of that vacation journal on YouTube, and you will see me use these things because they're just perfect for what I'm doing right now. So thank you so much, Maureen. I really, really appreciate it. It's really sweet of you to have thought of me and to send me all those beautiful goodies, and I can't wait to play with them. So that's it. Bye, everyone.